final tool is going to be the internal rate of return. So this is where we calculate the return on an investment, and then we see if it is more or less than our hurdle rate. So our hurdle rate is 8%. So this should really be a percentage. Okay. So if this investment, we're going to calculate the rate of return. And if the rate is greater than 8%, then we say, yep. And if the rate is less than 8%, no. Okay. So first we have to calculate the present value factor. And the present value factor is going to be the amount invested divided by the annual net cash flows. So amount invested divided by annual cash flows. And it's going to be 6.15346. All right, so then to figure out what rate of return does that give us, we can go to our present value chart. And let's go back and look. Our hurdle rate is 8%. Oh, wait, no. The number of periods is 10. And we're looking for 6.153846. All right, so within 10 periods here, we're looking for that number. And it's somewhere between these two, right? Ours was like 6.515 something. Double check. 6.15. Okay. So it's going to be somewhere in here. It's probably closer to 10%, but it's going to be between 8 and 10%. So since we don't have the exact number, then we just say between 8% and 10%, probably closer to 10%. Okay. And I'm just saying that because 6.15 is a lot closer to this number than to this number. Okay. But we're in that period of 10. All right. If we want to use it doing the rate formula, and again, I'm in Google Sheets, but you guys learned how to use the rate formula when we did time value of money. So you can do this in Excel, but I'm going to do it here. And the rate formula is going to be a financial formula. And it's rate right here. And it's going to be the number of periods and the cash flows and the investment. Oh, doesn't like that extra parenthesis I put in. And it's going to get me a rate of 9.96%, which is exactly what we said. Between 8 and 10, probably a little closer to 10. And in fact, it's 9.96%. So we say, yes, let's invest in this because it gives us an internal rate of return of more than our hurdle rate. All right, that's going to wrap us up for this week. So I'll see you next time.